Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be unboxing these 3 pairs of sneakers. Now these are probably the 3 most hyped sneakers of this month, so let's just get straight into unboxing them. Now I got 2 pairs from Nike and 1 from Adidas. So I don't know which pair the 2 Nike ones are, but I know obviously the Adidas, the only one. No knife gang because they all have pull tabs. Definitely super excited for what is in these boxes. They are super cool. So pull tab, again, I love me a pull tab. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna do these next, all right? So we're gonna put those to the side. I'm gonna save those for a second. This one is the one I want to do first. So again, another pull tab. Get straight into these. Damn, the box on these is dope. I'll show you the box. Wablam, first pair. Nike and Stussy, or Stussy. Stussy. But yes, this is the Spiridon, this Air Zoom Spiridon. Damn, you get some nice, there's the packaging right there. So you get some custom paper, and then you get the normal paper, and wablam. Jeez, these are even crazier than I thought. Nice box, I like the box, pretty damn cool. But yeah, so these released, and obviously, as you know, they came in 2 different colorways. There was this kind of like chrome pair, and then there was also like the fossil pair, which I kind of preferred, but this is the one I actually got on Nike sneakers. I went for both and got this one. I just really wanted to see them in person. But yeah, first impressions, pretty wavy. They've got that squared off toe box, which is pretty, yeah. Definitely prefer the other one. I think the materials on there look pretty damn cool. But anyway, let me try and get these off to the side. Let's get into this pair. All right, now as soon as you see the box, you're gonna know what it is. The Air Jordan box, all good, cool. All right, and what Jordan released this month, you probably know. But either way, boom, Jordan box, pop open the lid. Oh, that fresh color. That's a bit of a weird smell. Man, these are such a nice color. The Air Jordan 1 in the court purple colorway. So this is obviously the newer one, the original court purple, the one with like the sail. And what's cool is you get this like this tie-dye pair of laces, which I think look pretty cool. Tie-dye. Pretty cool. These released a while ago. What seems to be happening is Nike seems to have more problems with their shipping because these took about 10 days to get in. But yeah, I got the court purples, managed to get them on Nike sneakers, which is pretty crazy because I normally get like nothing on Nike sneakers. The leather feels okay. I've felt better leather on Jordans before, but it's all right. I don't mind it. I think it's a really cool colorway, and obviously they're all sold out, so a lot of people feel that. Last one. Now this is my favorite one, the one I am most excited for. Adidas is quick with their shipping. So thank you, Adidas. Even with everything going on, you are still coming through. Let's get a look at that box. Is that the right way? Yeah. You probably know what these are. And yes, it is the Yeezy 700 V3 in the Alvah colorway. Jeez. Wow. They look even better in person. For sure. But yeah, here they are. The Yeezy 700 in the Alvah colorway. Now that cage glows in the dark. And the materials on this is very different. Very different to what I'm used to seeing on a pair of Yeezys. So, I mean, wow. The midsole, geez, the midsole feels rock solid. So obviously I have heard some things about these not being as comfortable. You could definitely imagine that. There is 0 flex in this. This is solid. So we've got court purples, the Stussy pair, and the Alvahs. These are like the most hyped shoes. I mean, I don't know about these. These kind of shocked me. I didn't think that many people were going to be after these. but they are. So these are like the 3 hyped shoes of this month. These were pretty crazy. These were a little bit hard to get, and that kind of shows in the resale. The resale is, I mean, it's not crazy high, but it's definitely not bricked, which shows that it's not, you know, a complete GR for this pair. And I think the Court Purple, super nice colorway. People do like this colorway. And then obviously the Alvas, these are the heavy hitters for this month. These are like what everybody was trying to go out and grab. Of course, full on foot, full sizing and everything like that will be up on the channel soon when I do the full review. I'm probably going to shoot it for these first and then do these two. So that video will be up really soon, so just stick around for that video. I want to know, did you manage to get any of these? Did you manage to get a W on any of these 3 pairs right here? Or did you take an L like a lot of people did on a lot of these sneakers? So let me know down in the comment section. That is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.